जब जब हम आसमान में स्वतंत्र भारत के झंडे को उन्मुक्तता और स्वच्छंदता से लहराता देखते हैं, हमारा सर गर्व से ऊंचा हो जाता है और हम याद करते हैं स्वतंत्रता के कवियों और कलाकारों को और असंख्य स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को। आज के कलाकार तहे दिल से उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि और भावांजलि अर्पित करते हुए स्वतंत्रता का जश्न मनाते हैं। नमस्कार। श्रीमती रंजना गौहर और उत्सव की ओर से आज़ादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ यानी आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव के तहत मनाया जा रहा उत्सव सारे जहां से अच्छा की दूसरी संध्या आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं। On behalf of Srimati Ranjana Gohar and Utsav, I welcome you to the second evening of the two-day festival Sare Jahan Se Acha, celebrating the spirit of freedom brought to you as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, celebrating 75 years of freedom. This festival is sponsored by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and is brought to you in collaboration with the India International Centre. In this annual festival of Utsav, the artists pay heartfelt tributes to the motherland, Bharat, and to all those who made the supreme sacrifice for our motherland. Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Ranjana Gohar stands tall in the world of dance today. विदुषी रंजना गौहर ने आजीवन कला की सेवा की है और अपने योगदान से ओडिसी शैली को समृद्धि प्रदान की है। एक संरचनाकार के रूप में आपने अपनी मौलिक संरचनाओं से ओडिसी नृत्य की सीमाओं का विस्तार किया है। As a choreographer, she has produced several dance dramas which have been highly appreciated. She has also authored a book titled Odissi, the Dance Divine. She has produced documentaries and serials for Doordarshan on Odissi and other classical dance forms. Ranjana Gohar is the founder-president of Utsav, which was founded 34 years ago to impart the rich knowledge of Odissi dance to the younger generation and to preserve as well as to promote India's rich cultural heritage and vast performing arts. Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Ranjana Gohar and Utsav endeavour to create further awareness of these arts by organizing annual festivals such as seminars on Odissi music and International Dance Festival Unbound Beats of India for established professional artists, Sutarang, a young dancers festival to celebrate World Dance Day, and Sare Jahan Se Acha, where eminent and senior artists celebrate the spirit of India's independence. Utsav is proud to have disciples who have won appreciation at several events and festivals held in India and abroad. Many students of Utsav have received national scholarships at the senior and junior levels. Due to the pandemic, the festival is online, and we are using this platform to connect with artists worldwide using the beauty of music and dance, which is full of rasa and bhava, to bond people together. To begin with, I request Vidushi Ranjana Gohar, founder-president of Utsav, to welcome our rasikas from all over the world and to tell us about Utsav and this festival. Vidushi Ranjana Gohar.
Namaskar and hello everyone. We are back with our annual festival Sare Jahan Se Acha 2021 in its 16th edition. Like the previous year, this year also we are doing it online with some of India's most eminent artists to celebrate the 75th anniversary of India's independence. This year, the festival is carrying extraordinary value and relevance. I'm sure we are all reminiscing with nostalgia our memories and moments of the past festivals, where some of the most eminent gurus and artists of India have performed. Today, we are looking forward to this year's presentation by the artists. I heartily appreciate and thank them for making this festival a special one. So, let us begin with Sare Jahan Se Achha and celebrate the spirit of India's freedom. Jai Hind.
आज के कार्यक्रम में हम पहले प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं वृंदा चड्ढा का ओडिसी नृत्य। आप पद्मश्री से सम्मानित गुरु रंजना गौहर के वरिष्ठ शिष्य हैं। शी हैज़ बीन ट्रेनिंग एंड परफॉर्मिंग अंडर गुरुज guidance for the last 18 years and is now also teaching dance at Utsav, her guru's Ranjana Gauhar Dance Academy. आपने दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय से फ़िलॉसफ़ी में मास्टर्स किया है। ओडिसी नृत्य के लिए आपको भारत सरकार के संस्कृति मंत्रालय से राष्ट्रीय छात्रवृत्ति प्राप्त है। Vrinda is an empaneled artist with ICCR as well as with Doordarshan. She has travelled extensively with her guru and has presented solos for prestigious dance festivals both in India and abroad. She holds a Visharad in Odissi dance and Hindustani classical vocals and has also trained in Hatha Yoga. वृंदा एक NGO नई उड़ान के साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं और पिछड़े वर्ग के बच्चों के लिए कई कार्यशालाओं का संचालन करती हैं। आप कोविड के दौरान टीच फॉर इंडिया के साथ फेलोशिप भी कर रही हैं। Vrinda has been conferred with the Nalanda Nritya Nipun Award, the Young Talent Award and the Odissi Ratna Award to name a few. Today she presents Dancing Footsteps in the Rain. भारत में वर्षा ऋतु ने असंख्य कवियों को प्रेरित किया है जिन्होंने नई संरचनाओं को जन्म दिया है। अगली प्रस्तुति मीराबाई की 15वीं शताब्दी में लिखी गई कविता पर आधारित है जिसमें वर्षा ऋतु के अद्भुत सौंदर्य का वर्णन है। In this poem, Meera says, "The black clouds are swollen and filled with rain that fills my heart with joy. The cool breeze brushes through the body and makes the branches of the trees sway. The peacock begins to dance as raindrops fall on earth." Meera imagines the dark clouds to be Krishna. She adorns him with garland and sandalwood paste, only to realize that it is not he after all, but simply the dark clouds. This is in Rag Megh, set to Jati Tal. Odissi by Vrinda Chadha.
से, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे। नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे। बरसे, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे। नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे, नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे। शीतल पवन सुहावन की, शीतल पवन सुहावन की, शीतल पवन सुहावन की। झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, सावन की मन भावन की, सावन की मन भावन की। झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की। उमड़ घुमड़ चहु दिशा से आयो, उमड़ घुमड़ चहु दिशा से आयो। उमड़ घुमड़ चहु दिशा से आयो, उमड़ घुमड़ चहु दिशा से आयो। दामिनी दम के, 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 दामिनी दम के। झरलावन की, झरलावन की, झरलावन की। झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, सावन की मन भावन की, सावन की मन भावन की। झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की, झुकी आई बदरिया सावन की। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर आनंद मंगल गावन की। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर 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 नागर। आनंद मंगल गावन की, 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 गावन की, गावन की, आनंद मंगल गावन की।
आज के कार्यक्रम में अब प्रस्तुत है अमेरिका में स्थित संजीव भट्टाचार्य का मणिपुरी नृत्य। वी नाउ हैव फॉर यू मणिपुरी डांस बाय यूएस बेस्ड आर्टिस्ट संजीव भट्टाचार्य। आपको नृत्य में शिक्षा सुविख्यात गुरुओं से प्राप्त हुई है, जिनमें हैं गुरु बिपिन सिंह, श्रीमती दर्शना झावेरी, कलावती देवी, श्रीमती मंजूश्री चाकी सरकार और श्रीमती ममता शंकर। संजीव भट्टाचार्य, recipient of Appreciation Awards from the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in 2006 and Srimati Pratibha Patil in 2011, is an accomplished Manipuri dance exponent, guru and well-known choreographer of India and abroad. He is currently an established performer of great repute, having extensively performed across India and the world over. He runs several dance academies and institutions in India and abroad, while conducting lecture demonstrations and workshops regularly across the globe. Currently, Sanjeev is living in Cleveland, USA, and teaching, performing, conducting workshops, lecture demonstrations, collaborating with local Indian and multicultural community in the US and Canada. He is known for creating a unique global choreographic presentation based on his Manipuri and Indian contemporary dance techniques, and is sponsored by Raine Institute, Cleveland, USA. श्री संजीव भट्टाचार्य की आज की प्रस्तुति है तर्पण, एन ऑफरिंग मेड टू डिवाइन एंटिटीज़। इसमें पहले प्रस्तुत है मंडलीबद्ध नर्तन, जो उनके गुरु बिपिन सिंह जी की अंतिम रचना है। इस प्रस्तुति में बहुत ही जटिल लय की आकृति के साथ नृत्य के चलन को पिरोया गया है। मंडलीबद्ध नर्तन is interwoven with the 3 different variations of 7 matras like Teen Tal Macha, Dashakosh and Dutila Teen Tal. Original choreography is by Guru Bipin Singh, conducted by Padma Shri awardee Guru Darshana Jhaveri, singer Draupadi Devi, sung Veer Mangal Singh, and it is being presented by Sanjeev Bhattacharya.
ta ta te digi digi ta 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 din ta ta te ta din ta din din ta ta te digi digi ta 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 din ta ta te dinkin sharke haravna krishnana hadyan sharke haravna natavar ulakhi jagoi jagat kusumata ta din ta din ta ta te digi digi ta 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 din ta ta te ta din ta din ta ta te digi digi ta 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 din ta ta te ta din ta din ta ta te Hari Jagoy Krishna na Gopi Singh Loina na Hari Jagoy Krishna na Gopi Singh Loina Hari Jagoy Krishna Gopi Singh Loina Rasha Mandali Jagushan
Next is Gati Prabandha, a musical composition having elements of Tenaka, auspicious words sung in a particular melody. This composition incorporates different gaits or Gati Sajat of birds like stork, wagtail and parrot. The dance movements based on Tandav aspects interpret the intricate rhythm patterns of the syllables of the drum based on talas like Tanjau, Tanchak and Menkur. Original choreography is by Guru Bipin Singh, re-choreographed and conducted by Padma Shri awardee Darshana Jhaveri. Music composition and pung is by Y. Bhumeshwar Singh and presented by Sanjeev Bhattacharya.
ting tang, tak 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 tang.
धिम धिम ता धीरे ना तुम ओ दारे तुम ता ना धीरे तुम ना दे दानी दारे ताने तुम तन न न न धिकलांग तुम ता धिम तन न न
Tata gin, tata kitata kitang kitata gigin tata grang tata kitata kitang kitata. Kita kita grang tata kitata kitang kitata. Tang gin tang kitata kitang kitata.
आज के कार्यक्रम के अंत में प्रस्तुत है सुविख्यात नृत्यांगना और गुरु, पद्मश्री और संगीत नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार से सम्मानित विदुषी भारती शिवाजी का मोहिनीअट्टम नृत्य। At a time when there were no takers for this beautiful dance form from Kerala, Bharati Shivaji realized its immense potential, which had never been explored so far. Her pursuit of Mohiniyattam also initiated her into other regional art forms of Kerala, enabling her to imbibe the aesthetics of Mohiniyattam not in isolation, but in significant relation to the interdisciplinary traditions of Kerala, be it sculpture, theatre, music, painting, architecture or literature. उनके व्यापक अनुभव ने उन्हें रंगमंच के कुछ क्लासिक नाटकों को कोरियोग्राफ करने के लिए प्रेरित किया, जैसे कि दूतवाक्यम, अभिज्ञान शाकुंतलम और विद्योत्तमा इत्यादि। आपने 3 पुस्तकें भी लिखी हैं तथा राष्ट्रीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय थीम्स पर आपने अनेक समूह नृत्य संरचनाएं भी तैयार की गई हैं जो काफ़ी सराही गई हैं। For her invaluable contribution to the field of Mohiniyattam, Vidushi Bharati Shivaji has been honored with many titles and awards, which include Lasya Lakshmi, Kalaratnam, Nisha Gandhi, besides the Padma Shri and the Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Today she presents an Ashtapadi from Jayadev's Gita Govindam. Sung in the temples of Kerala for centuries, Gita Govindam was sung as a part of daily rituals. It is a living tradition even today in the Guruvayur temple. It begins with the Koti Padi, when the devotee renders the Ashtapadi of Gita Govindam in the sanctum sanctorum before the deity. It describes the glory of Krishna and his dalliance with the gopis, while a peeved Radha is watching the beautiful gopis around Krishna. आज भारती जी प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं जयदेव कृत गीत गोविंद से अष्टपदी। प्रस्तुत अष्टपदी में श्री कृष्ण की महिमा और गोपियों के साथ उनकी क्रीड़ा का वर्णन है, जबकि एक अप्रसन्न राधा कृष्ण को सुंदर गोपियों से घिरा हुआ देखती हैं। दिस इज इन राग पंतुवराली एंड मोहना set to Chembaratal. Vidushi Bharati Shivaji has incorporated it as an essential part of her research and unique repertoire of Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam by Bharati Shivaji.
अनेक नारी परिरंभ संभ्रम स्फुरन् मनोगारि विलासलालसम् मुरारी मारा उपदर्शयन् जसं सखी समक्षं पुनराग तकुकु तरि तरि तकुकुम तरि तकुकु तरि तरि तकुकुम तरि तकुकु तरि तरि तकुकुम तरि गुम तरि गुम तकुम तरि तकुम दगुम तरि ಸದಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಪರೆ ಮುಗ್ಧವಧೂನಿಕರೆ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಲಸದಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಪರೆ ಮುಗ್ಧವಧೂನಿಕರೆ ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಲಸದಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೆ ಕರಿರಿಕ ಮುಗ್ಧವಧೂ ನಿಗರೆ ஈர்த்தக 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 தத்தம் தீம் தீம் தத்தக தத்த యమునా వనకు మంజుళ వంజుళ కుంజగదం మంజుళ వంజుళ కుంజగదం వేదగత కరేణ ఈర్తగదాం ఈర్తగదాం ఈర్తగ ఈర్తగ ఈర్తగదత్త ధీం ధీం దత్తగదత్త దక్కు దిక్కు దక్కు దిక్కు దిమృద శ్రీ జయ దేవ వనిదమిత అద్భుత కేశవ కేలి రహస్యం వృందావన ఆయ విపినే చరితం విరనోతు శుభాని యశస్యం కృష్ణ శ్రీకృష్ణ కృష్ణ శ్రీకృష్ణ కృష్ణ కృష్ణ
इसके साथ ही यह 2 दिवसीय उत्सव सारे जहाँ से अच्छा संपन्न होता है। विदुषी रंजना गौहर और उत्सव की ओर से हम अपने प्रायोजक भारत सरकार के संस्कृति मंत्रालय को धन्यवाद देते हैं। साथ ही उनके सहयोग के लिए इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सेंटर को भी धन्यवाद देते हैं। We would like to thank all our artists of the festival, Srimati Bharti Shivaji, Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan, Srimati Vidha Lal, Shri Sanjeev Bhattacharya, Vrinda Chadda and the artists of Utsav repertory for enriching us with their art. I now invite Vidushi Ranjana Gohar, founder president of Utsav, to propose the vote of thanks.
Wow, what an amazing performance we have witnessed by these wonderful artists. They have enriched our thoughts with new ideas, new images, something that we will cherish for a long time. I heartily thank them for their support to Utsav's endeavors. It's a huge thought process and teamwork that works together to curate a festival like this. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Culture, Government of India for supporting Utsav's festival Sare Jahan Se Acha. My very special thanks to Sadhna ji and to our light director Sandeep Datta ji. Many thanks to India International Center for their support. I also thank my senior disciples Vinod Kevin Bachchan and Vrinda Chadda for their continuous presence and support. Utsav extends special thanks to Suchit Mangaraj for his wonderful editing. But for these people this festival would not have been possible. I would also like to thank Vinny Agarwal and Sangeeta Banerjee for publicity, support and still photography. My last and most important thanks to my warm and lovely audience for their continuous support. We shall meet again with new thoughts, new creative work and more magical moments in our forthcoming festivals. Thank you all for your support. Namaskar.